Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, we are going to talk about 4 best accounting apps for Android tablet. So guys, let's start. So guys, the first app that I'm going to talk about is Quickbooks. So I will open this app. So guys, this is a famous cloud accounting app and it is designed for small businesses. So it allows you to record all your business transactions in one place. So if we see in the dashboard, you have the today option and then you have the menu option. So if we go to the menu, then you have 2 tabs available here. One is shortcuts, the other one is all. So in the shortcuts, you have different options available. You can see the first option is related to transactions. Then we have customers, invoices, estimates, expenses, sales receipts, profit and loss, and product and services. So if you want to see the invoices or you want to create a new invoice, you just select this invoices option, and here you see this option of create invoice. You just select it and here you can put all the information. So for example, if you want to insert the customer name, then you have the invoice number, then you have the date options available, and all the numbers, all the figures you can put over here, and then you can save it. Okay, and then if I go back, okay, I go back from here, and then you have the estimates. Okay, then we have transactions. Okay, so whichever options you want to use, you can choose it. And then if you go to the all option, okay, then we have here money in, and then we have money out. Okay, so in money in we have different options available. You can go from here as well. So here you have all the options available. For example, if you want to select the products and services, okay, and you want to create a new one, then you select this plus option. Then you can insert the product name, the unit price rate, okay, and categorize income. So all the options available. If I go back from here, and then if you need some kind of help or support, you can select this option over here. You can see there is a question mark sign. Okay, so you can just select this one, and then here you have the help and support menu in front of you. You can select this option, and here it will give you different type of options. You can select them, or if you want, you can also ask a new question, and the help and support will respond you. So you can see over here it is showing you the contact us option, and then here in the menu it is also showing you the search questions, keyword or topics. So you can search whatever you want to search. If you select the today menu from here, as I selected, so you can see you also have different options available over here. You also have the to do options. So you can see you can finish linking your account, finish your first invoices. You can see all activities as well. So it is a complete app. You can use it for your accounting purposes. The next app that I'm going to talk about is Xero. So I will open this app. So guys, this is also a cloud accounting app. So here you can see you can create invoice, create a quote, add a bill, or add a receipt. If you see over here on the downside, you have other options. So for example, if you select this sales, it will select the option of get started with sales. Then we have purchases over here. You can see your spending. Okay, and then if we go to the dashboard and we start to open a create an invoice option, so it will open the invoice option. You can see it is giving you different options over here. Who is it for? And then we have date option, then due today, and then if you want to use it for text exclusive, you can use it. And then if you want to attach files, you can also attach files from here. You can see, and then once you finish your work, you can use this save option. If you select these 3 dots, you can select this invoice number and you can add a reference. Okay, and then if you want to create a quote, okay, then select this quote option, and then it will open again one more menu in front of you where you can insert all your data, and then you can save it as well. and then again we have the attach files option over here. So this is how you can use this app. Then we have add a bill option and add a receipt option, so you can use this option for the accounting purposes as well. The next app that I'm going to talk about is FreshBooks. So I will open this app. So guys, here is the dashboard for FreshBooks. So in this app you can create invoices. Okay, if we see over here the downside, we have the invoices option, the expenses option, time tracking. If you select the more, then we have the estimates, clients, and checkout links. So for example, if I go to the invoices, okay, so I go to the invoices and I want to create a new invoice. So I select this plus option over here. So once you select over here, you see it is giving you all the detail that you can put. So you can see accept online payments, you can select it. If you want, then you can add a logo. Then you see this add build to add a client. So here are the dates available. Here you can put your numbers. Okay, then we also have the notes option and terms option available. So this is more in a more detailed form. And then if we go to the expenses, okay, so I select this expenses and then again I select this plus option. So if I select it, so here you can see you can add the expenses. You see you can add the category for example, if you want for advertising, for car and truck, then for contractors, education, benefits, or more. Okay, then you can also add attach the receipts. You can add a merchant, add the numbers over here, the currencies, everything you can do. And once you finish your work, you can save from here. So this app is in a more detailed form. You can put more information if you want to use this app. And then we also have the time tracking option. So create your first time entry, so plus, so you can see you can enter your time. Okay, so you can select the timer. Okay, so you can see add a project, you can add a service. Okay, then you can add notes. Okay, the time starts over here. So this is how you can use this time tracking as well, which is really amazing. So this is for FreshBooks. Let's move to the next app. The next app is Sheets. This Sheets app is from Google. You can download it from Play Store. So this I will open it. So guys, this is a really amazing app and it is completely free. So for example, if you go over here this plus sign and select the choose template option, okay, so here you can see this is the choose template option. I select it. So once you select it, it is giving you a lot of templates option. So if I scroll down and you see this work, okay, so here you see it is giving you the invoice option, the weekly timesheet, annual business budget, expense report. So for example, I select this invoice. Okay, and then it will open the invoice for me. Okay, so here you can put all the information. So if you want to change the name, you can select it. Okay, and here you can put all your numbers. Okay, so you can see you can easily edit it. So for example, if I want to change this number, you can do it from here, and then you can also save it. Okay, then here three dots, just select it, you can save it, you can share. Okay, so you can see share and export option, and then if you want you can also print it, guys. So for example, if I select share and export, you see this print option also available, so you can print your invoices as well. And then if I go back, okay, and I select this template, okay, choose template from here. Okay, and then if you go to the work option, you see we also have the annual business budget option or expense report option. So for example, I select this expense report. So here I will open the expense report template. So you can see over here. Okay, if you want to make it bigger, you can see. So here you can put your company name, you can edit the any text you want to edit. Here you can insert the employee ID, all the categories, the dates, everything is available, all the numbers available over here. So then if you want to see other option, there are different tools available over here, you can also use them. And then again, these three dots, you can share and export them, you can also print it. Here is the print option available as well. Then if I go back and then I again select the choose template, and then we also have the other options. So for example, you have the analytics dashboard option, customer relationship management, employee shift schedule if you want to do. You also have the purchase order. So for example, I open this purchase order template. So here it looks like the purchase order. Okay, so you can insert the PO number over here. Okay, and for example, if you select it, you can add it from here, and then if you want, you can also enter different numbers, different figures for the amount that you want to put. And again, we have all the tools available. So guys, you can use this Google Sheet app as well. Guys, the tablet that I'm using in this video is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, because this is an Android tablet, so you can use all these 4 apps in other Android tablets as well. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.